In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram live option not showing. Let's get started. First, update the Instagram app. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it and check whether live option is available or not. Next thing you want to do is launch Instagram, navigate to settings and activity page. Now scroll all the way down and click on the option help. Click on report a problem. Click on the option report problem without checking. Click on don't include. Now here briefly explain about the issue that live option is not available or not working in your Instagram account and send it. With this, Instagram support team will get back to you. Lastly, you can check the server status of Instagram. For that, navigate to this website, Down Detector. Search for Instagram. If there are any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from their side. So these are some fixes for Instagram live option not showing or working. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.